Okay, well, let's just hop into it. Right now, I'm just waiting for the water to get hot. As you can see, my hair is very dry, it's very matted, and it's just time for a good wash. My hair has been like that for a couple of weeks. I had it stretched and I wore it in a slick back ponytail look, gelled down. I am just gonna be loosening up because it's very dry. So here I am just gonna cleanse my hair really good. I'm going to use the keratin and green tea shampoo. So here I'm just gonna let you watch. So I am fresh out of the shower. This is my hair after being washed. So let me tell you, when I was in the shower and I was washing my hair felt very dry, and it felt very, I don't know, it's just this particular feeling that I don't like, you know, when I touch something. So it felt ugh. So like I said, I had my hair gelled down for like 3 weeks straight. So like my hair was like, it would kind of be like this, like together, and then like as I was shampooing it, it wasn't breaking apart, it was just staying like this. So after I had washed my hair, I took my Detangling Conditioner, which, let me get it. All right, so this is the Textured ID Coils Detangler Conditioner, and there you go. So yes, this is what I use to detangle my hair, and my hair just came right apart. Like the little clumps that it was in, it just started coming apart. So that's what I used to, you know, tangle my hair. And then what I did was I took the shampoo and I re-shampooed this out so it won't have nothing to do to affect the, you know, the treatment I'm about to do. So yes, I would recommend this for you know, a good detangling conditioner. And I also recommend the leave-in conditioner because that's bomb if you have 4C. I mean, not 4C, if you have high porosity hair, because that's what I have, high porosity hair. My hair stays dry no matter what, but that stuff is really good. So it's been a while since I did it, so I'm about to read the directions right quick. I know I just sprayed on my hair. So after I shampoo, I'm supposed to towel dry my hair, which I didn't do, but I took my shower after I shampooed it, so it's like kind of, it's not soaking, but it's dry enough, air dried enough. So this is the next step. What I'm gonna do for easy application is use this little spray bottle and put it in there. I'll add more if I need more, but this is how much I put in for now. Because this is a spritzer, so I'm gonna get it all over my hair. And I forgot, this is like really sticky when it touched my skin, because I do remember that much about it. So give me a second and I'm just gonna adjust my towel, and so I won't be getting all sticky because I don't feel like jumping back in the shower again. All right, so I adjusted my towel. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray it in. but I don't feel like going too big for the other one, so this is just gonna have to do. Alright, while I'm detangling my hair, I do want to give you guys a quick backstory on my hair. So October of 2020, I got my hair colored and pressed. I let it stand for about a month and a half, and these are the results of my hair, after washing it. And I did a few deep protein conditioner treatments. I'll insert a picture here, and I'm also going to insert some pictures of my hair before I got it done and then after I washed it the first time. So you can see, as you can see now, you can see where the heat damage is, where my hair doesn't revert and has more straighter pieces. But I just want you guys to, have a little background story of how my hair got to where it is. So yeah. Okay, this hair took better on this side, as you can see. I can't tell the back. Let me get a mirror. Okay, it looks a little crazy. My back took pretty good, but this side is still elongated. So, I mean, I know it's gonna take a couple of tries, so I ain't really tripping, and some of these front pieces are still really long as well. But this side really, took it really good. So, my hands are really sticky. I'm just gonna hop back in the shower and be done with that. I'm home alone and I heard like a big boom, but the air just clicked off, so I think that's what that sound was. But I was looking like, and my alarm's on, so if somebody was in the house, it would go off. But that's why I was looking like that. Okay, yeah, so all I need to do is just rinse this out and then put the balancing protein moisturizer on it, and that will be done. So I'm gonna hop back in the shower, rinse this out, and I'll be back. Hop up out the shower for about an hour. Okay, so this is my hair. I rinsed it with just warm water. This is the back. And yes, it is really dry to touch. Like, it lacks all types of moisture. Okay, so I'm gonna dry off and then we're gonna put on this moisturizer. Definitely feel the moisture and softness back because it was dry when I got out the shower. Yeah, I'm gonna need a few more treatments, but this has really shrunk back to almost what it's supposed to be. Like, this did a really good, as you can see, but it's still not quite where I want it, but you know, the front's still elongated. This side, like these front pieces is like elongated. It didn't do as much as the other side, but it did a little bit. And then the back, let me get my mirror again. The back actually ain't that bad, but I know my front gonna need some tender loving and care, some TLC. Yeah, this is gonna be a journey, so we gonna be doing more and more and more of these to get it back in shape. So yeah, but it did work some, so I ain't tripping. All right, y'all, so I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I mean I'm about to rinse this out and my hair is gonna be wet, so it's just still gonna look like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am pleased with the results because, you know, something's better than nothing. It didn't fully revert my hair back, but I know with time and with the proper moisture care, because I'm gonna do some more deep conditioners weekly because I was lazy these last few weeks, so I need to get back on it. But anyway, with the more care weekly and treatments, I'll be able to revert my hair back. And if not, then you know, we gonna be on this journey together, so y'all gonna see what it's gonna do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and your girl be back with another one.